Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Tanya here, your soul chiropractor. And I want to introduce you to my friend, Rachel Cooley. She's the founder of Divine Guidance with Rachel Cooley. She's an angel therapy practitioner, author, certified spiritual counselor, and angelic guidance mentor, certification trainer who spent the last 24 years inspiring and guiding women to reconnect with their divine guidance and angelic support, to open and receive the blessings that are their divine birthright. Her mission is to help women step into their divine purpose path fully resourced and to live a miraculous life of fulfillment, living on purpose, sharing their gifts, and allowing their essence to make an amplified divine impact in the world by becoming angelic guidance mentors, able to guide even more people all over the world into a miraculous life, birthright blessings, helping catalyze quantum leap transformation with angels for those healing empowerment and prosperity, protection, and so much more. I'm so glad you're here, Rachel. This is going to be so great. I'm looking forward to this conversation.
Yay, Tanya, I am too. I'm so excited to be here with you today. Thank you so much for us being here today and to share
Yes.
about the angels.
I want to just let you all know that in our 6-month path from unresolved pain and grief to joyful purpose, Rachel is going to be leading our group session on crown chakra, because isn't that the perfect thing for her to do? I mean, look at all the halos
Perfect.
around her.
Yes, I got my
So,
halos.
Rachel, I want you to tell me the story of how this all came about in your life.
Thank you, Tanya, for asking. So, how this all came about in my life, because it is a unique path to take the path of the angels, right? So, really, it all started out initially with my mom, her own spiritual journey. And she started to share about her spiritual journey with me. And through her sharing about it, I started to get more and more interested. And I remember in particular her helping me through like a stressful time and helping me to get through a lot of fears and worries that were coming up through the spirituality and the tools that she was learning. And actually, she initially, one of the things she did early on was she got a tarot deck. And so she was sharing with me that tarot deck. And that was really cool because it was like a precursor to me down the line working with the angels and working a lot with angel cards. So that was really
Mhm.
cool. And I also, the more I went on my spiritual path, Tanya, I noticed that I was getting a theme of, I was getting gifted from my new spiritual friends. I was getting angel statues, angel books. So I had this angelic theme coming in. Isn't that cool? And it just, the path kept going on and on. And then I got suggested to check out a particular angel book when I had recently broken up from a relationship that wasn't serving me anyway. So it was a blessing. But then I learned about this angel book, and then I went on my path and heard that speaker speak soon after that, coming to our local San Francisco New Living Expo. And that same year in 1999, I stepped forward and got certified in working with the angels.
That's so awesome. It wasn't Lorna Byrne, was it?
It wasn't. It was back in the day. It was Doreen Virtue.
Oh yeah, Doreen. Okay, so I happen to have two of her decks right here, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's
Oh,
Loving Words from
yes.
Jesus.
That's a
And
great
she's
one.
also a unity minister, Doreen is, and I love her work. And this is Life Purpose cards,
Nice.
and wonderful how it shows up for people when I'm pulling cards for people. That angelic work, I came into contact with myself very long before I started doing any healing work, because
That's
I need
amazing.
healing. And I read this book. I can't even remember who wrote it. And I thought, this is real. This is the real thing. How come nobody's talking about this? So I want to hear all about it. So how have the angels blessed you in your life? What's shown up for you?
Oh, so many incredible blessings, Tanya. It's really amazing. One of the incredible blessings that the angels have supported me with, and they continue to this day when I need that support, is relief from fear, stress, and worries. That is like one of the most incredible blessings that we
Yeah.
can receive, right? Because we need to feel good and have peace of mind and relief from those worries that can ruminate through our minds.
Yeah, it's so true. One of the things that I do when I start to worry about my kids who all live very far away, so I can't get there in a matter of moments. It would take me so long. As I just imagine golden light around them, It keeps me from worrying. I'll imagine them with Jesus with his arm around them,
Oh,
telling my children what a great job they're doing, or don't worry, or just being there for them. And that just helps me completely de-stress about whatever it is that's on my mind. It's amazing.
that is amazing. Yeah, they've helped me with that as well with my son. My son's just recently turned 18. And so it's just so nice to call in the angels to be with him and to support
Yes.
him.
It
It's
makes a huge
amazing.
difference.
Yeah.
Have you had interaction with like your guardian angel? That's what I'm interested in
Ooh,
too.
I have. And I have had interaction with my guardian angel. And actually, I recently led a workshop on meeting your guardian angel. So it's interesting that you asked me that
Yeah.
question. Yeah, but one of my very first interactions with my angel, and I didn't realize she was my guardian angel at the time, but she literally saved my life and my mom's life. I love to share that story, the quick version of that story.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was many years ago, the year before I really went on my path of the angels and got certified in 1999. In 1998, I was driving with my mother in the winter on a mountainous road leaving Ashland, Oregon, going into California.
Oh,
And
I know
I
where that is. I've been there.
Yeah, that's cool. And it was right outside of Dunsmuir. And what happened was I suddenly was driving on black ice. And what happened, Tanya, was in my sheer panic, I was sliding, losing control of the car, our Toyota Corolla. I put my foot on the brake. And well, you're not supposed to do that.
Mm.
So what
Oh.
happened was my angel appeared I heard her and she brought this calm feeling to my entire body. Time totally slowed down and I heard her voice in my left ear and she said, "Get your foot off the brake." And I briefly thought, "What? Calm feeling, get your foot off the brake." So I listened. I got my foot off the brake and I know she helped me to steer as well because I was 2 lanes over to the left and she helped me. It was a miracle without hitting another car, went off to the side of the road to the right next to a truck stop, Tanya, where I could call for my payphone. Remember payphones?
Yes.
I could call AAA to get help.
Wow.
It was
That's amazing.
amazing. It was so amazing. And that's when I later realized that was my guardian angel, one of my angels.
Wow, that's amazing. I love that.
Isn't it
Are there,
cool?
yeah, are there struggles that you particularly find with women in regard to their angels?
Oh, yes. I would say one of them, of course, is that because a lot of us get worried and stressed out and feel overwhelmed or anxious. So that's one of the number one things that I help and support my clients with, supporting those women to have relief from fear, stress, and worries, to bring in the angels and their healing light, love, and blessings and guidance to support them in my life, in their lives, and of course, my life as
Mhm.
well.
Yeah, sure.
And a lot of them also are wanting support with their life purpose, and
Mhm.
seeking, like what will fulfill them more in their lives so they can feel even more on purpose. So I love bringing in the angels to support them with that. Um, and also healing. That's one of the reasons women come to me as well for healing,
Sure.
which is perfect, Tony, that I'm talking
Yeah,
to you because you're an
yeah,
amazing healer as well.
yeah. Yeah, so what kind of problems do they come with, and how do they feel when they leave you?
Okay. Well, some of them don't want to leave and they stay.
Yeah, that's right.
Which is so cool. But I would say, yeah, life purpose stress, relationship stress. A lot of them come to me regarding relationship stress and worries. And basically, through the work with me, through bringing in the angels, their divine guidance, the spiritual counseling, also that's a part of the work that I do,
Mhm.
and also guiding them through healing and clearing meditations, calling in blessings and miracles, they feel so much better. They feel more on purpose. They see the miracles happening in their relationships and in their lives.
Can you give us an
Yes.
example of that? Like something
Yeah.
that one of your clients has had happen?
Absolutely, absolutely. One of my clients, I'm thinking of my client Lydia, and
Hmm.
she was wanting help in connecting more and healing her relationship with her sons, in particular with one of her sons. And
Hmm.
so through our work together with the angel, she's actually been with me now for 5 years, but she had a lot of healing happen personally, and she realized the healing that was happening as well, like bringing the past to the present and healing her relationship with her son in
Hmm.
particular. And then a miracle happened, and she was able, through him calling in the angels, that he basically reached out to reconnect with her because they hadn't been as much in touch. So
Yeah.
that was a miracle.
That's so funny because I just had that happen with a client of mine too.
That's
She had this
awesome.
rift that happened, and there was a lot of history underneath it. And we did some really beautiful forgiveness work, and
Amazing.
they got together and were able to forgive each other. And it was, yeah, it's just forgiveness is so beautiful.
It is.
Um,
It's so beautiful. And the
tell us
angels are
about
brilliant in it. Yes.
Yeah, they are. Tell us about the angel series that you have coming up. And I just signed up for, so I'm going to tell everybody about this. I just signed up for Activate Your Inner Oracle with Archangel Gabriel. It's an angel workshop. It's the number 3 one. So I missed the first 2, but I'm doing this one. And the thing that's
Yay.
really cool about that is that Rachel does these, and you have to take advantage of this because it's so much fun.
Oh yeah, it's so much fun. So basically, yeah, I've been doing a series, and this will be the third one on May 9th, Thursday, May 9th, 2 to 4 p.m. Pacific, on activating your inner oracle with Archangel Gabriel, where we're going to be clearing amazing women. This is an event for amazing spiritual women, clearing your divine channel so you can receive clearer divine guidance. So you can be clearly more divinely guided. We'll be focusing in particular with Archangel Gabriel, the Archangel of divine guidance, to bring in the blessings and the light with the angels to help you to tap even more into intuitive gifts and to receive blessings with the angels, and then to get clear divine guidance, whether it's through your feelings, your knowing, your spiritual vision, your hearing, which I talked about in my angel story there about when I was sliding on the ice. It's going to be powerful with a group of other amazing spiritual women. And it's a part of my series. It's all on activating divine angelic power, which is awesome. And actually, there's still time to join the whole series if anyone wants
Yeah,
to, where you
yeah,
can catch
yeah.
the replay of Meet Your Guardian Angel and the clearing and protection with the archangels with Archangel Michael, and activate your inner oracle and get a session with me. Or you can just jump into activate your inner oracle. There's options.
Yeah, that's the cool thing is like it doesn't matter how you start, it just matters that you start, correct?
Exactly. Totally. Totally. And if
And
you're feeling
if
the
you're
call,
feeling any pull toward that, just go ahead and do it because they're priced exactly right, so anybody could do it. And just allow yourself to just dive in because what have you got to lose? I mean, you know, it's costing you the blessings that are waiting for you. And that this is something that I do with my clients and my patients all the time is ask for a sign, ask for it. If you're not asking, you're not getting. So ask for a sign that lets you know that this is for you and you'll
yes,
receive it. And here's what you can do when you ask for the sign. Just ask to make it really obvious so you don't miss it. Like, I want
crystal
it to be
clear.
so obvious that this is a sign from my angel guidance. I want to know for sure that that's what it is. And you will.
Exactly.
I tell this story all the time. I had a client who was wondering if she was in the right business. Was she doing the right thing? And she said, just show me a zebra. Now she's driving down I-80 in Iowa. Where is there a zebra? There's no zebras. But up next to her pulls a U-Haul rental truck with a big, huge mural of a zebra on it.
That's amazing, Tanya. Oh my
So you can
gosh.
ask for something specific if you want, but I
You
just always ask for it to
can.
be obvious. And
That is
you receive the
amazing.
sign, and then don't doubt it when you get it.
Exactly.
If you think, I wonder if this is a sign, it's the sign.
It's a sign. It's a sign. Follow
I'm
the
not going to
signs.
say it was aliens, but it was aliens.
Oh, that's fun. Oh my gosh. Oh
You
my
know,
gosh.
like you have to watch what the thoughts are that are coming in because some of those are being given to you, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
That
And this
sentiment.
opportunity is going to be helping you to expand your capacity to receive divine guidance and to discover even more your amazing intuitive gifts, and you can how you can powerfully serve with your gifts, making an amazing divine impact. It's awesome.
Yeah. It's
With the
really fun.
angels.
And when you're doing stuff like this, doesn't it make your life just more fun and more
Oh,
interesting?
yes.
And the surprises that come and the miracles that happen. Do you have anything in your life besides the not going off the road and dying? Is there
Oh
anything
my
like
God, thank
that?
God. Oh, so
Yeah.
many other miracle stories. I had I mean, I really felt like things like everything lined up like right before I met my husband. It was like
Mhm.
soon after I got certified in working with the angels, and just the timing lined up. And it was incredible. I met him like I finished up like in the fall of 99, and it was in January 2000, not 2020, 2000, that I met my husband. It was totally
Wow.
divinely led and guided because I knew I was supposed to meet my soulmate, and he knew he was supposed to meet me as well. So that's an amazing blessing. And we had a fertility journey to have our amazing son, Michael. And I got the most amazing signs and messages from the angels along the way to not give up hope, to stay positive that we were indeed going to be parents. I indeed was going to be a mom, and everything fall into place in perfect divine timing. I'm so
Isn't that
grateful.
wonderful? How
Yeah.
wonderful is that? Yeah, I have a similar story. But my story, where we had our baby, our first baby together was stillborn. But then we had Sam a year and a half later, and I was in labor for, I don't want to brag, but 3.5 hours. So
Oh my goodness. Oh
and
my
I
goodness.
say that that first baby, our little baby Eddie, he helped pave the way for that to happen so
He
beautifully.
did,
So,
literally.
I mean, you can count a lot of things as tragedies in life, but there's always blessings underneath, always.
There are always blessings underneath. Absolutely, Tanya. I so agree.
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Rachel. I look forward to what we're going to do in August with the crown chakra because that's going to be so
Yes.
cool. And so, if you're interested in what Rachel's up to, I'm going to put
Activate your inner
links
oracle.
here. I'll put a link for the 6-month program that she's going to be at the end of. This is our little cherry on the top right here with Rachel. And you can access any of those. You can talk to me about any of it. And feel free to get in touch with either one of us or both.
Absolutely, absolutely. And of course, yeah, we'll have both the links there. And it's been such a joy, Tanya, to have this
Thank
time
you
together
so
with you.
much,
Thank
Rachel.
you so much as well.
Many blessings.
Many blessings, angel blessings, everyone. Take care.